Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You. And today I'm going to draw a request from this wonderful person right here. We're going to draw Bubbles from Powerpuff Girls. So, Bubbles is such a cute character, and she's really fun and easy to draw. So I'm going to start with one of her little pigtails, and it's going to be a shape like this. Kind of like a raindrop. Okay, so next we're going to do an oval for her head. And now we're going to do the other pigtail here in the back. All right, so now we're going to do the front part of her hair. So we're coming up and then we're curving on the other side. So we're just coming up and then going back down. And we can do an eyeball right here. She's got huge, huge, giant eyes. So one, and then another one. And we can do the mouth. A shape like that. And we can put a little hill inside the mouth for the tongue. And let's continue with the eyes. So I'm going to do a circle. And then we're going to do another big curve around that circle. And there would be another curve around that one, but we're running out of room. So we can do a little bit of one. And now over here, we're going to do another circle. And then that's going to be circled with another circle. And then we're going to do that again. Like that. Okay, so the inside of the mouth we can color in all dark. And the second circle here, we can color that in all dark as well. Okay, so now I'm gonna come down a little bit, like that, and we can do a little hand right here. And we can do another one. She's already so cute. Okay, and now we can do a leg, like that. And I'm gonna come on over like that and do another leg. Alrighty, I think she's looking super, super cute. So now we need a thick band here across the dress. We can color that one in all dark as well. And then after that, we just gotta do the shoes. So the shoes, we're just going to do a line right here, and a line here, and then another one, and then a U shape. And then down here, we just do another line and a U shape, and we can color that in all dark. Okay, so cute. All right, I'm gonna get coloring. All right, everyone, we are finished drawing Bubbles. I think she turned out super, super cute. Let me know in the comments below what you think I should draw next. And I will see you tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!